Number 1. To show how the front wheel compares to the rear wheel using 100 grids, we need to do the following. First, you need 200 grids to represent 155%. So on the first grid, I shaded 100%, and on the second one, I shaded 55%. So it totals up to 155%. Then, you'll subtract 100% to 155% because it shows that the front wheel is larger than the rear wheel. So, if you do the math, it will add up to 55%, in which is the difference between the front wheel and the rear wheel. But if you don't have this kind of grid paper, you can just freehand boxes or small squares and then shade the indicated number. So in this case, I just did this. Okay, and then I did the exact same thing as I did with the grid paper. Okay, so then. Number 2. To find the total cost of the game, I did the following steps. So, for this situation, I know that the $10.99 is the price, and there's also 10% before tax fee and a 12% PST and GST. So what I did first is that I tried to find out what the 10% before tax fee is, and this is what I got. So I multiplied $10.99 with 0.10 and I got $1.99. Then after that, I added $10.99 with $1.99 to get the before tax total, in which is $12.89. So to find out the real cost, I multiplied $12.89 to 0.12 and I got $13 and the bunch of decimal numbers. So what I did is that I just rounded it in and I got $13.54. So yeah. Okay, so number 3. To find what the approximate size of the herd during the second year is, we need to do the following. Okay, so by this time, we know that during the first year, the approximate size of the herd is 30,000, and during the second year, the estimated size of the herd was 90%. So to get 90%, I used a ratio table. Okay, so 100% is 30,000. So to get 1% of 30,000, I divided by 100 by 100. And to get 90%, I multiplied 1 by 90. So that's 90%. So the stuff that I did here, I need to do on the other side. So I divided 30,000 by 100 and I got 300. So then, to get 90%, I multiplied 300 by 90 and I got 27,000, in which is the approximate size of the herd during the second year. Okay, so what is a better deal? 60% off or 20% off and 40% reduction of the discounted price? So for this specific question, there's no said price, so I just use $100 as my price. So for letter A, we need to find 60% of $100. So I used $100 as my 100%. Okay, so to find 1% of $100, I divided 100 by 100. So I got 1. Then to get 60, I multiplied 1 by 60. And then I got 60. So the stuff that I did here, I need now to do on the other side. So I got 60 again. Then you have to subtract 60 from 100, then you get 40. So 60% of 100 is 40 for this side. Now for the other side, we need to find 20% first. So I use 100 as my 100% again, then I divided 100 by 100, so I got 1. Then to get 20%, I multiplied 20 by 1, then got 20. And stuff I did here, I also did on the other side. Then I got 20 again. Then you have to subtract 20 from 100. So then you'll have 80. Okay, so to find the 40% reduction of the discounted price, which is 80, I did this. So 100% is 80 now, and then to get 1% of 80, I divided 100 by 100, so I get 1. Then to get 40%, I multiplied 1 by 40. And then what stuff I did here, I also did on the other side. So 80 divided by 100 is 0.8. Then 0.8 times 40 is 32. Then you'll minus 32 from 80. Then you'll have 48. Okay, so for letter B, 60% of 100 is 48. So for me, the better deal is letter A. 60% of 100 is 40.